Hello guys, today we're going to replace a D900 normal D900 stop, not D900E, which is different. Let's see if this SIM card wants to come out. Oh, goodness. Okay, so this one has the faulty microphone, and it is quite tough to move around. So, oh, never mind these parts. This is the other one which has actually the LCD broken, but as the other one is in much worse condition than this, we are going to change the PCB. But as I said, I will also need to take a close look at why this is so. It seems fluid, but not as this other one here. See this? So we're going to take a look at that too. Just need to remove all these screws here. There are 6 of them. And as I can see, I also lost the the caps. I always lose them. As far as it's black, it's no big deal, but it's really ugly when it's pink or purple. Really ugly. And I always lose them. No matter how I say, oh, now I put them there, and these are not supposed to be lost. Always happens. Okay, brilliant. Okay, we open these two so it won't be in the way. Okay. This says it is a faulty microphone, but of course there is no such thing as a faulty microphone. It is a faulty charging circuit. Also today I learned a lesson. Basically, this bastard of producers, there was one that had the charging port here faulty. So I said, okay, let's get the standard one. Let's resolder it, and so I did. But for some reason, after I changed the port, and nothing was shorted, nothing was ruined, phone didn't light up anymore, and this itchy gets really hot. Then I realized, reading some forums, that you can put generic ones. See here, there is a clip. You have to put theirs, their original one. So basically, now on, when I find one that has charging port broken, replace entire PCB. Okay, this is faulty then. Okay, now we have to look why this spring is so tough. Ah, gosh. So the difference between these, it's just worn out. You see here, it is all worn out, and then it doesn't slide as well as before. So now I'm going to unchart the territory, because now I'm going to change the sliding mechanism too, and I never done that. It shouldn't be that hard, I suppose, because I want to keep this piece of plastic here that is much better than this, but first we have to figure out how to remove it. No. Maybe we can do it. Maybe. Let's see. Which one we damage? This one. Because this is the keypad, so this should be removable. And indeed, it is not. And yet another Samsung part that you can't replace. Too bad, because this is better, much better. Wait a moment, we can replace the metal part here. Okay, it's going to take a while. Okay, we have to remove this without damaging them, possibly. So in here there are 2 caps. We can replace the worn out part without putting an ugly part. Let's see. So to remove these, we simply take this off. Yeah, no, I need a better screwdriver. Yeah. I can do it. There you go. 1 and 2. Because we're going to slide this out, and we put that one. And this is the first 2. Let's try not to lose the the caps here. Okay. Then there are these. This is a rubbery ones. 1, 2. Do these things, they always take huge amounts of time, but the reward is quite nice when you see something that was broken and now it works. Okay, basically these phones get worn out, slide in, slide out, and they erode the metal. So to open these, be careful with the flex. You simply do that. Yeah, no, there is a tool in here to do that also, but I always use my hand. Hands are better than tools. Have we removed the screw? Yeah. So why it doesn't come off? Ah, here you go. Ecco qui. Yeah. Now to remove these, there is a there you go. There is a place where you see you can let the flex slide out. Okay, so the part we are interested in is this one, because this is all worn out. See, I don't know if you can see it, but the metal is all eaten away by. Okay, so this is ruined. Let's take these, the other one. This also will be worn out, but I hope less. How it comes out, this? How did I take the other one out? There you go. You see the difference. This is the good one, and this is the bad one. See, it's all eroded. Yeah, this is also is used, okay, but not that much. Now, one thing that I don't like is these springs here. But we don't care about this. This is good, isn't it? Yeah, let's change it. It shouldn't be that difficult, because one part will be sitting somewhere. Let's see. Here, I suppose. And this other one, put this in. Put this in. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, now it's much better. Okay. Now to reassemble it, we do the other way. So see, there is notched place. One is larger, another one is tighter, so you must be on the larger side, because otherwise this won't pass. And you can use also these if you want to be extra careful. Okay, there you go. There you go. Okay, now this is simple. Yeah, simply simply needs to be, see, there are two notches in here. There you go. You settle them and then just squeeze it gently. This gently. I still remember a usual manual about a building tool that in the assembly instruction it says tap it gently. They gently meant like going there with a sledgehammer. When I mean gently, I mean gently. Okay, now we resettle these two screws here. So this is the 40 PCB here. Okay. Let's put these rubbery caps here so we won't forget. Come on. Good boy. One here. I hope that you can understand what is it I'm doing, but if not, it will give you a hand anyway. Okay, these are two small screws. It's a smaller screw that goes into these holes. It's a nice phone. It's a shame. I have a tons of them broken. Those years that the Samsung was doing faulty products. Yeah, actually that one went smashing on the floor, I suppose. So we can blame Samsung for that. Okay, now we have to resettle the flex here. Come out. Okay. Be careful with these because they are very fragile. Okay, now we are going to make a quick test. Okay. See? Okay. Keyboard. Where's the battery? Oh. Now we're going to make a quick test and we see if we have broken something. Nope. Oh, this is brilliant. Insert SIM. Before I need to go ahead, I want to try if this microphone course was only on the PCB. I suppose it was. Okay, here this is the microphone, but we try anyway because it's a pain in the ass to to disassemble. As you've seen, it's 12 minutes it took me. So if you made a mistake, you have to go do all over again. Let's see. Quad band. Alright. Come on. What's that? Haha, I don't know what's that. Oh, let's go to camera, record video. Maybe do record. This is a test to see if the microphone works. Let's play it back. This is brilliant. Alright. I don't know what the nice lady is. Okay. I don't know if it's him locked this. I don't know anything about this. Okay. This has supposed to go first. So to reassemble this. Yeah, I know. A note. These side keys here, you first put this flex in because it's better. Okay, so we have to put these two fellas here. You see, and they say that I have a hanger problem. And then why staff always do whatever they please? See, you put an adhesive where it goes, everywhere. Okay, see? And this is nothing. The ugly thing is when you can get hurt if things doesn't go as they supposed to. Oh, this is really dirty. Let's see if the other one is anything better. Where is it? Yeah, right. Because we know where is it. Okay, we lost it. Let's give it a clean. This is not ruined, it's just dirty. These phones are always dirty. Okay. Now this goes here. Alright. And there is another one. That is the cameras. Okay. Sometimes I don't lose everything. Oh. And it's up to you to keep your lab in good order. I've seen many labs like mine. None are in order. Okay. There you go. Okay, now we make sure this thing here, this cap, is out of the way. Now, I don't know if it's going to disturb, but on some models you make a mess. So I don't remember, so I keep it out. Okay, simply done. This is not difficult. One day I will cover the G600. That is terrible. It's a nice phone, huh? But there it go. There it was. Okay, I put another one. The G600 is terrible because if you get that with the flex broken, oh, it's going to take you an hour. Because as you see on this, the flex is like you can take it off. On the other one, the Intelligent, they not only put a long flex, but they also bolted it on the metal of the slide. So you have it glued and bolted. It's a long work. Alright, we see if we find the black screw covers. The other one is a broken LCD. Broken LCD in the bin. Yeah, right. Like I dispose of something. Never. Okay. Let's see. This is one of the fellas that I was talking about. This one. This one is like, as if you can see, it's like a notch here. And this notch goes inside here. So to do this, you simply have to do that. See, first, and it must go first on the bottom side. It is a bit tricky. Come on. Oh, there you go. I was putting it on the side. Now I need to find another one. Where is it? Come on. Is it back there? Yeah. I found it. There you go. See, it must go like that. Okay. So, do we have a battery? No. This is borrowed. So, let's see. Alright. Yay! I hope this helped some of you in replacing this thing here. Okay, this is brilliant. Now we'll find the battery and it's good to go. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like. Thank you. Bye.